Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This video is about how to create and use your own library in C Sharp. This video is about how to create and use your own library in C Sharp. Now, what is library? Library is a code that we write once and reuse many times. To do this, there is a series of steps. Step number 1, create a math.cs file and write arithmetic operations in it, and this is our library file. Step number 2, create a mathinaction.cs file and it uses the library, and mathinaction.cs file, it uses the library which is math.cs. Open CMD and type command csc/target library /out simple math.dll math.cs. Now, what are these terms? First of all, CSC is the name of C# compiler. /target library is an additional parameter which instructs the compiler to create a library. /out simple math.dll is an additional parameter which tells what is the name of library. Math.cs. This is a C# file, and here it means pick the content of this file and make it library. Now, what are the interpretation of this complete command? Hey C# compiler, make math.cs a library and name it simple math.dll. Next command is csc/reference simple math.dll mathinaction.cs. CSC is again the name of C# compiler. /reference simple math.dll is an additional parameter, and it is an assembly reference, and it is a assembly reference. And simple math.dll is actually math.cs. Simple math.dll is actually math.cs. Mathinaction.cs is the name of file that we want to compile. Interpretation. What is the interpretation of the complete command? Hey C# compiler, compile mathinaction.cs and use reference of simple math.dll. Now, let's do it on command prompt. csc dir. We have these files in our directory. So csc /target library /out simple math.dll and math.cs is the file that we math.cs file is the one in through which we make library. So this command is no error. This command has no error. csc/reference mathinaction.cs reference is simple math.dll and this is the file that we want to compile, mathinaction.cs. Again, this command has no error. Now let's run it. Math in action.cs. Oh, sorry. Yeah, this is exe file. Math in action. Only math in action. So add. So I forgot to tell what are the content of these files. This is math.cs file in which simple arithmetic operations are there. Add function, subtract function, multiply function, divide function, remainder function, increment function, and decrement function. And math.cs is actually simple math.dll, or vice versa. Simple math.dll is actually math.cs. Math in action. This is a driver program in which we use the library. Arithmetic. First of all, by default, whole number is an int, built-in struct int32 that are defined in system namespace. Arithmetic operation is the name of user-defined namespace. This is the arithmetic operation is the name of namespace. Math is the name of user-defined class. This is math. Math is the name of user-defined class. And underscore add, this is a static function because it calls with the help of class name. This is add is a static function, and it takes two parameters, 30 and 60, and the sum is 90. That is why here add is equal to 90. So this is math.css, this is math.cs file, or this is mathinaction.cs file. Simple math.dll is actually math.cs. If we do not want to use a reference, then what should we do? Let's try it. CSC math.cs math in action.cs. Okay. Again, no error. This executable is successfully made. Math in action. There is no difference. Same output. But now, what is the advantage of making a library? A library is a .dll file, and DLL file is not readable to anyone. It means we hide our code in DLL. It means code is hidden, but it is reusable. But it is reusable to everyone, but code is hidden. That is the advantage of .dll library file. So again, this is another way to do this. And if you want to do it reference, then do this: cs/reference : simple math.dll. Simple math.dll is actually math.cs, but in coded form, encrypted form. Math in action.cs. Again, there are two ways to do the same task. In one way, we simply give our code to everyone, and in second way, our code is hidden, but only in reusable mode. .dll file is a library file, makes the code hidden and reusable mode and is reusable to everyone. Again, let's run it. Math in action only. Okay. Again the same output, add, 90, subtract, multiply, divide, remainder, increment, decrement. Okay. So this is the advantage of DLL file. This is the advantage of this is the advantage to make library file. Code is hidden but only in reusable mode. Okay, Allah Hafiz.